as the Retouch Market team, preset upload, sharing, and backup. We address all the complexities of these issues with the world's first and only new preset installer to eliminate them completely. You receive a preset set as a gift from presetinstaller.com, available for both macOS and free for Windows. You can download it, drag the file to the Applications folder on Mac, and it's easy to install. You can do it either by email. You can sign in with Google. Preset Installer is quite simple with 2 tabs and a basic interface. The Install Preset tab allows you to easily install your presets in Lightroom and Camera Raw. You can download your preset files by clicking here. Enter the 6-digit preset key code in this field, either by choice or from a letter sent to you. Paste it and it will automatically install. You can complete it. The My Presets tab shows all your presets, letting you view and manage your files. For installed on your computer presets and any newer, in Lightroom and Camera Raw, all the presets you create are automatically listed here and are customized in the same way in your encrypted cloud account. You can create backups similar to Google Drive. When you change the name or settings of a preset, it instantly detects these changes in the cloud and updates the backed up file, allowing you to format your computer without worry. So if you format your computer or accidentally delete your presets, each preset synchronized in the cloud will have the most up-to-date versions with no loss. You can reinstall it without issues. Finally, open the Preset Installer. The magic feature of sharing every preset makes it incredibly easy for both sides. To bring it, all you have to do is presets you want to share. From the list and select Share Preset Key and press the button. That's it, preset. Your file is now converted into a 6-digit code for you to share as the preset key. We call this a single-use code. Just copy it and give it to your friend. Your friend can use this code in their preset installer. When you paste into Lightroom and Camera Raw, the presets you automatically send will be installed and the code will not be reused. This is the magic solution. All the problems with preset sharing are eliminated. In a nutshell, Preset Installer is a preset for everyone to install, backup, and share. It aims to automate these processes and be a free app. Last but not least, let's take a look at some small details about using the Preset Installer and finish our video. You can see your remaining cloud backup limit here. To remove presets, click the Uninstall button. If you click on the Uninstall button, it only removes it from your computer but keeps it in the cloud. Then click on the Install button. By pressing Restore, you can reinstall it. However, if you choose Delete, you'll remove it completely from the cloud. This action cannot be undone. To cancel the elections, press the Cancel button in the bottom right or hit ESC. You can press to back up presets that are installed on the computer and not yet backed up by checking whether the icons here are green.